Electrical testing and maintenance. Reliability starts with proactive maintenance. Our electrical testing and maintenance training gives electrical professionals the techniques and confidence to keep electrical systems operating safely and efficiently. At EFTI, we deliver live interactive courses perfect for seasoned electrical maintenance professionals and apprentice electricians building a foundation sharpening their expertise. We offer live online scheduled courses for individual electricians, technicians, and maintenance professionals, and customized live online and in-person group training for companies with teams of electrical testing and maintenance professionals. These are the electrical testing and maintenance courses we offer. NFPA 70B Electrical Maintenance EE. This course teaches NFPA 70B standard practices for preventive maintenance and safety operations. CSA Z463 Electrical Maintenance. This course teaches Canadian best practices for workplace electrical equipment inspections and upkeep. Electrical Testing and Commissioning. This course helps you gain skills in startup verification and performance testing for secure system rollouts. Electrical Testing and Troubleshooting. This course teaches how to resolve faults rapidly using test tools, methods, and proven diagnostics. High Voltage Maintenance. This course specializes in maintenance strategies tailored for high-voltage systems. Medium voltage and high-voltage circuit breaker maintenance. This course teaches how to maintain the reliability of medium and high-voltage breakers through expert servicing. Power Cable Testing. This course teaches how to test medium-voltage cable integrity with precision for safety and uptime. Why it matters. Effective testing and maintenance keeps systems online, maximizes equipment lifespan, and prevents unplanned shutdowns. Our training equips you to identify issues early and act decisively. Who should attend? These courses are ideal for plant electricians, maintenance supervisors, on-site maintenance teams, and electrical engineers, anyone responsible for keeping systems safe, maintained, and efficient. Students earn CEU PDH credits, a certificate of course completion, and take-home materials like digital electrical handbooks and technical guides to support ongoing learning. Empower your team with the skills to keep systems running reliably. Explore our electrical testing and maintenance courses today, and safeguard the heartbeat of your power infrastructure.